Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add friends in a new Steam UI update. And to do this, you'll need to click on the Steam icon in the top left corner of the screen. Here select the settings, then change to account, and then now you can see your friend code. So using this code you'll be able to invite friends, or just give them this code and then they will click on add friends right here and insert the friend code in this pool, and then the friend invite should arrive for you. If you want to invite friends yourself, then you can try to find their profile name in the bottom right here, or there's also this link which instantly sends invite, so you can share it with friends as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment.